Oh. Hi, I'm Bench. Wait, how is this work? Hi, I'm Bench. And then that is my mommy. I am in Makati City. I live in Makati City. I school in Makati City. My true province is in Misamis. And then this is going to go to the Florida because my daddy is there. Okay, see you next time. Nada, to take a puskat. How's that work?
Oh, diba? Uy, meron akong gagawin ha. Abangan nyo, bigay ng pensyan. Will Cologne. Oh, abangan nyo po yan. Napakabango niyan. Parang ibang amoy niyan. Sobra. Saka, maganda yun. Pag meron kang Will Cologne, parang lagi tayo magsasama. Pag kasama mong boyfriend mo, isang pisit yan. Isang pisit. Diba? Angie, sige. Sino kasama? Oh, itong boyfriend mo. Ano pangalan niya? Edgar. Kamusta? Ed? Ano ka? Okay lang po. May asawa na, may anak na. Ano yung naging girlfriend? So, minahal mo siya. Ikaw ba'y binata? Sige po. Okay, ano trabaho mo? Driver po. Tricycle driver. Nang? Tricycle driver.
Whoa! This is shaking! Whoa! Hello!
Pako Manila.
That's not what I want.